Namaskar and welcome in from the Art Astrology. And after a long gap, it's quite a long days now, I am making this video. And being I am traveling a lot, not and beside that there was nothing special happening. And my motive is always to give you some special, interesting informations so that you can utilize that information not as a knowledge only as well as you will find that these things are happening and these things are going on with and you will feel the effect of those things because every day something is happening. When moon change, every day some planet is taking place here and there. So because whatever I'm talking since last 2 years on my channel or in my blogs, that is happening. So now people have started talking about that. Before earliest, many people are used to smile on me also, on my predictions. And few of the predictions now being published in the newspapers, and you can, on my right side, you can watch that also. This program is regarding Jupiter and Saturn, though Saturn is already retrograded in the retro position right now and today when I'm shooting this video, Mercury has entered into the nakshatra of Sun, which Lord is Aryaman. Aryaman is Rath जिसको बोलते हैं हम लोग, and it's kind of a thing, and he carry on the whole pride of the Sun and all the lords and things. When Mercury is there and Sun is there, when I'm making this video, and they will not be going to remain over there. Although Sun is right now with the Ketu when I'm shooting this video. So as per what changes upcoming, October 9 up to February 4, 2025, for 119 days, Jupiter is going to get retro in Taurus sign, and it is going to remain because now this is in the second pada of Mrigashira, and then it will come in the first pada, and then it will progressively go back. So it is going to remain in this nakshatra only. And same time when from the June 30th till November 15th, till the November 15th, Saturn is retrograded already in a retro position. But in this time, for quite some time, when Jupiter will get retro, Saturn will be changing its nakshatra and going back in the nakshatra of Rahu, which is Shatbisha, and Lord is Lord Varun. Varun means rain, sea, ocean, water, pounds, kind of a nature. Without water you cannot survive. So Lord Varun is having very importance in our, and when he is ruled by Rahu, so there is something. And Rahu right now is in the nakshatra of Saturn only, whose Lord is Ahir Buddha Neha. And right now Saturn is in the nakshatra where the Lord is Ajika Pade. And Uttara Purva Padva and Purva Bhadrapada, the nakshatras which they are traveling into. So now, what effect this is going to bring? When both spiritual, they both are very spiritual, both are going to be retro for 1 month. So naturally the effect of the justice and effect upon the good deeds going to come, especially when Saturn is entering into the Rahu Nakshatra. He will become little cruel. He's already watching. He is on the mode of justice now. When he will meet Rahu in February, and then they will separate it in May from the nakshatra, but staying in the same sign. Then so many things are going to take place, and that is going to happen in 2025. And this planning which is going now is for 2025. This episode is going to be special for the people who are running through the Rahu Mahadasha, Ketu Mahadasha, Jupiter Mahadasha and Saturn Mahadasha. I am also going through the Saturn uh, means Venus Mahadasha under the Antardasha is of Saturn. But if you are good, you have nothing to worry. If you have felt it when Jupiter was retro earlier and Saturn was in Shatvija Nakshatra, what happened at that point of a time, then you can see the same kind of changes coming to you in a positive manner or a negative manner. You can judge your things from here only. Being this is going to take place in America, if a world map we will see, and Saturn is already on the Asian map and looking into the Europe with his third eye. So this is going to put a huge impact on, and state eye of Jupiter is on Australia also. I've so many times taken the name of Australia, and people are saying nothing happening over there. I say you don't pray that nothing should happen over there, but which indicating me there is something major role of Australia can be seen very soon by America with the support of America, because Jupiter is getting retro over there. Mrikshira is a deer. The Lord is deer. Sign is deer. So they give always make you in a fear. He will hit me or he will do it. He will do it or he will not do it. And I have explained about Mrikshira. You can watch my earlier videos about that. So here we are coming that this transaction is going to happen, transit going to happen after October 9 for 190 days. But this transit is going to be there from 9 of October till 15th of November. So it will be almost 40 days. It's going to be very crucial for everyone, for the world. Problem can be start creating, and might be plants can build, problems can be from the ocean side, problem for the water side, natural disaster from the space side, and problems will be there because I have mentioned in my programs earlier that lots of countries are going through the elections also. I am not making so many people confused because Jupiter is in the Taurus at that point of a time, Aquarius, Saturn will be there and he will be going back into the Shatvija Nakshatra, and Ketu will be also changing his Nakshatra very soon, but later stages in the of this year. And then Rahu is moving towards Saturn. What will happen? Saturn in Rahu Nakshatra and Rahu is coming near to him. This will give me, if I want to deliver you justice, but culprit is around me and he want to grab my mind with the wrong decision or some wrong steps I can take, and at that point of time Jupiter can help me, but Jupiter can't help me because he is also retro. So this position, if you want to come out of this, if you want to have a fear about this, you want to be alert about this, so then both are very spiritual, and Rahu is also very spiritual, but his method of giving you lesson is very bad. He first take you in the hype, then he throw you down like anything when he want to give you a lesson. Because end of the day is spiritual only. That's why he set up with the Devtas and Lords, at the time of Samudra Manthan and taken the Amrit, because he want to be like them. But his nature is like instinct. He want to bite. He like to bite. But you cannot Scorpio or something like that. You cannot change his nature, although he is good and he is happy with you. So what I am saying here, because Saturn I am coming, will be looking with the third eye to Aries, they have to be little cautious about these conspiracies. Then Saturn will be looking at placement in the Aquarius. That will be very, very important. Somebody is doing something over there in the Aquarius. Then his seventh eye is on Leo. Leo's ascendant, Leo people has to be very careful. Any conspiracy can happen against them in this period of 40 period of time, and their own friends can become enemy also because of their acts. Scorpio also, because of the 10th eye of has to be very cautious, and so it means that these are the cautious things. If anybody is going through the Saturn's Dasha, Antardasha, or they don't have a Saturn good with them. If this is good, then it is going to be like antibiotic. Nothing going to happen good, nothing bad. Now coming to Jupiter. Jupiter is going to get retro. He is also going to give his effect because his placement in the Taurus, so Taurus has to take care, and fifth eye on Virgo has to take care, and Scorpio with the seventh, and Capricorn with the ninth. So these four signs need to be very, very careful, very, very alert, and especially believe in good deeds, believe in good things. Pass this 40 days in good charities like this, good gossips. Don't indulge yourself into conspiracies, and that can cause you a lot of problems. Both will not be able to help you out, and under the shadow of Rahu, this will be happening when Saturn getting this immense. Because Saturn only listen to Venus, or either he listen to Jupiter. Rahu don't listen to Jupiter. Rahu listen to Venus only, and Venus is not going to help out here. Another three signs which are going to get affected is Gemini, because 6th, Libra and Sagittarius. So these signs, because Jupiter and Rahu and Saturn will be around them in the 6th or 12th house, in the 8th house also simultaneously. So they have to be taken care about their losses, their expenses, their investments, and so many other things. So this was my brief note about the signs, Saturn's effect, about the Jupiter, their effect, their signs, and the signs जिनके भी 12th में है, whether they're 12th house, 6th house, and 8th house. You can go to your astrologer also, you can check with them, and I'm always there to give you good informations, and these information will be providing you time to time. Keep watching From the Heart Astrology. God bless you.